Hi, good evening. Chaitan, can you able to hear me?
Um, yes, I'm able to hear you.
Okay, fine. Let us wait a few more minutes for the others to join. Okay.
Sure. And also just wanted to check that do we also need to join via Discord as well?
Discord instance? Hello.
Hello.
What you're saying?
Yeah, I just wanted to check that do we also have to join via Discord too?
No, no,
Okay.
no, no. So hi, Vasavi and Sayadan. So I think still three more students is yet to join. So meanwhile, can you post your name, email ID, and mobile number in the chat box?
Actually, one of my friend couldn't able to join the class. She didn't have the access.
What happened? LCM access she has.
She couldn't find the scores in LCM portal.
When the portal itself will be there, the link will automatically come. When I add this session, automatically it will come to your mail ID itself.
Yeah,
Just
but
ask it.
she didn't get that mail today.
Is the mail ID everything is correct? Okay,
Yeah,
can you just share this link to her and ask her to join?
okay, fine. Then I'll ask her to do that.
Yes.
Uh, Hi, actually using my link, she couldn't able to join because only one person can join using this link, I guess. Hello?
Only one group is there. I have. Did she got the chat message?
In which you are asking?
In the LCM itself, in the portal itself, we have a chat option. Did you see that?
Just a minute, I'll ask her. LCM portal chat option irukam paru. Uh, she's having that bot chat symbol. You are asking about that?
Yes, not bot chat. Another messenger will be there.
ஏதா இருக்காது எப்படி? இல்லையா? Is there any other way to join this?
You know this coordinator actually, the LCM coordinator.
Saloni, right?
Just inform her.
She's not answering the calls. Okay.
What's her name actually?
Janani.
Janina. Meanwhile, can you just possibly just type your name, full name, contact number, and email ID?
Sure, I'll do it.
Yes. Samrata, are you here? Samrata? Okay, we just waited for few more students to join. Meanwhile, can we have the introduction? A few, then later when again the other persons comes, I will introduce myself. Sayantan Baduri, can you able to hear me? Yes, can you able to hear me? No, Baduri, you are not audible. Previously you were audible, now you are not audible.
Am I audible now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, you are audible now.
Okay. Yeah, so I just connected my headphones. I don't know what was the issue.
Okay, fine. Just tell about yourself. So where are you from? What is your current
Yeah.
role in your experience?
So I am from West Bengal, but for work purposes, I am currently in Bangalore.
Okay.
Uh, I'm a working professional with currently with PwC, and I wanted to upskill myself. So I wanted to get into the world of DevOps. Now I have seen multiple courses, multiple details, but as it's all scattered, so wanted to go through a channel for that.
What role currently you're playing actually as a
So I'm currently working in PwC as a tax
PwC?
professional.
Okay, tax professional. So then it's very new to you, correct? Why you want to
Yes,
go for this?
absolutely.
Why you choose DevOps actually?
So I actually wanted to go get into the world of software engineering. Now, previously,
Mhm.
I have had work. I have had experience in data analytics. Following that, I started working at PwC. But now, as I want to upskill myself, so I wanted to get into DevOps, not core software engineering, because that takes a lot of knowledge about coding and understanding the code, which I'm currently not very sure of. So that's why I have started with DevOps.
So overall, how many years of experience you have?
Overall, 6 years of experience.
Okay, fine, fine. Nice. So, yes. Vasavi, can you just tell about yourself?
Hi, I'm Vasavi. I'm from Chennai. I'm working in Kindle as L1 support, like technical associate engineer. We used to monitor applications. I have overall 2 years experience in L1 support, system operations.
Okay. So overall 2 years on the experience you have.
Yeah,
Basically, you're from Chennai or the native is Chennai only?
uh, in native it's Tamil Nadu near Vilupuram. I'm working here in Chennai.
Okay, fine. Thank you. One more person joined, right? They left actually. Um, so why you choose DevOps, Vasavi? You're into technical support, right?
Yeah, to upgrade in my career, I chose DevOps.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So I thought other people will join now. It's already 8:20 now. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll start with what you know with the DevOps and everything. We'll see. Okay. So what you think as a DevOps? What is meant by DevOps? Okay. One more person came. Nishkaraksha. Niskarsha. Can you able to hear me? Is it your friend name? What is your friend name, Vasvi?
Janani, she couldn't able to join. She's checking with the LCM
Mm.
in charge.
Okay. Okay. She's also from same working with you actually.
Yeah, yeah. She's also working in Kindle.
She's from Chennai.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes, so before let me introduce myself, let me let others also join. But meanwhile, we'll go with what is DevOps. Okay. So, what do you think? And as I asked you, why you chose DevOps? Actually, so you guys said like totally you are from different field, and you don't want to be you don't much interested in coding part. So that's why you chose DevOps. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
what? Yes. Okay. What do you think as DevOps means? Just the word alone, it's enough. No? So what you will have some imagination. Okay, DevOps means this is what, this might be there.
Operations in the development.
Operations in the development. Huh? Okay, development. Okay. What you are saying, Vasili?
Like providing complete infrastructure for an application, maintaining the
Maintaining the application.
infrastructure of an application.
Infrastructure of an application. Okay. Maintaining infrastructure of an application. Okay. Only that is the work you think? Mm,
Monitoring the entire life cycle of a software from its starting phase till the
mhm,
product is live, and
mhm.
then looking at it accordingly.
Okay. Monitoring the application from entirely from the starting till end, correct? Okay, that's also good. Maintaining an application is also fine. Operations, we want to move to development. Mhm, that is also fine. So what you heard about DevOps, actually why people are saying DevOps? Or you know anybody who's already learned DevOps and got job? You know anybody like that in your circle?
Just YouTube vlogs and like people saying how
Mm-hmm.
I mean how software engineers state that DevOps or a DevOps professional is one of their best friends.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Mhm. Okay, fine. So let us go one by one. What is this DevOps? And we are going to learn about fundamentals of DevOps. So fundamentals means like if you want to read a book, let us say, if you want to read a book, you want to know first what do you want to know actually. Let me know what you want to know. If you want to read a book, English book, let us say, English books,
Alphabets.
alphabets. Yes, good. Alphabets, and you should know when you combine the alphabets and you form a sentence or you form a word, you should be able to know the meaning, correct? No? Right? Up to that much level, you should be there. Then only you'll be able to read a book and understand things. Am I right? Yes,
Yes.
exactly. So fine. So what do you think as in DevOps? If you want, you're going to learn DevOps. Okay, as everyone says, like DevOps is a high profile or high job. You'll be getting a good package and all those things. So what is a prerequisite necessary to learn DevOps? What do you think? It's in your own words. Don't want to worry that you want to go and search in Google or ChatGPT or nothing. You just be blank. But because when you blank only you'll be able to receive things. Okay, but you'll have some imagination or you have some ideas or guesses. So say that alone. What do you think might be the prerequisite necessary?
Linux OS.
Linux OS, huh? Okay. Then anything else?
Python.
Python. Okay. Then
Terraform.
okay, Terraform. Mhm.
Just stating that these all are tools, right, to better understand
Mm-hmm.
DevOps.
Yes, yes, yes. Mhm. Exactly. So, what do you think as prerequisite? These are all tools because when you learn all these tools, then it will become a DevOps. Okay, full fledged. What is the prerequisite necessary? As you guys already said the answer previously. In the previous question, you have answered most of the question you have answered. From that question itself, your answer is there. And you already said the answer. I have written on the screen also. From that, you can understand what is the prerequisite necessary.
Understand of the entire development cycle.
Exactly. Yes. So, what we call that as?
Software development lifecycle.
Super. What? Software development life cycle. Yes. One thing. One more thing is that. What is that? One more thing is there which you are already using every day. Every day that you are using it. Every minute or every second, everyone are using it. What is that? Okay, in your phone, what? I'll give you 5 minutes gap now. What you will do?
App.
What app? Yes, what app? What app you will be using? What app you will be using? We will give a 5 minutes gap or 10 minutes break. What you will do? Okay, you will go drink coffee or tea. That's fine. But again, every 5 minutes you will go 5 minutes or 6 minutes, 10 minutes. You will be taking your mobile and will be checking. What is that?
Instagram. YouTube.
Yes, exactly. Instagram. Instagram, where it is launched actually, where it was. Is how many videos you are able to watch? Are you able to watch the videos faster? Yes. Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay, where all these videos are stored?
Server.
No.
Cloud
Storage.
platform.
Yes, exactly. What? What is that?
Cloud.
Yes. So these two are the major things that you should know are the prerequisites necessary to learn DevOps because other things are as Baturi said, like those are all tools which we are a combination where you should know or you don't know also fine. But what you should definitely know is the SDLC, that is your software development life cycle, where how the phases work, how it will be usually the methodology. What is the methodology? And another one is your cloud because it's cloud. All the applications, whatever we are using, is already launched on top of the cloud. Correct? Now that's why you're able to access the applications also faster. And why we want to use cloud? Maybe what is the major reason? Major reason. What do you think? Major reason to use cloud. What do you think?
Uh, we can access it over internet. If in case of any error, we can solve it using internet.
Okay, access internet. Okay, every application also we have to use the internet, na? Whether it is server also you have to access internet, na? Then what you want? What is the other thing?
cost efficient. For small
Mhm.
application, we can use less part of the hardware instead of buying the whole hardware.
Cost efficiency, fine, good, good. Anything else? Yes, Baturi, sorry, Baduri.
Uh, so I would say, uh, yeah, I mean, majorly cost efficiency only.
Hmm. Okay, are you getting any cloud source? Are you using personally any
Google
cloud
Drive.
storage?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes. Vasavi said something. Yes, you said something now. Madhuri, sorry, Vasavi.
Google Drive
Google Drive. Good. Now Google Drive is providing what?
storage.
Okay, how much? How much they're providing for you? Yes, you have Google Drive, right? You can now open your Google Drive and check how much storage they are giving for you. That is for free, right? Are they
Free
charging
is
you?
15 GB.
Yes, 15 GB is free storage they are giving it. Why? Why it's leave it? Okay, what and all you can do with that?
Store photos, emails, any kind of documents, videos.
Yes, everything you can do, correct? Because of cloud, correct? Same thing, all your applications are also running top of the cloud. As just now you said, Instagram is having a lot of photos, videos, everything, and you said it's cost effective, correct? And the main thing is it like only in India Instagram is used, or anywhere in the world they are using Instagram?
What?
Everywhere they're using, right?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever videos you are seeing, can the other people in the US also can able to see that? Yes or no?
Yes,
That means what? People can be able to access from anywhere. Am I right?
yes,
Access from anywhere. So that's the main advantage where why we want to know about cloud. As you guys said, you see, you guys only said that monitoring the entire application end to end. How will you monitor? If somebody is doing the application or developing an application in the US, and let it be you are the manager, you are in the US and somebody is working in India, how will you able to manage? How will you able to monitor? Now for this we have these tools, and main thing is like a backbone, like how our body is constructed with muscles and skeleton, right? Like a backbone, the skeleton should be there, then only you'll be able to keep all your body parts, correct? Same thing, the cloud is a backbone to monitor end to end, to monitor end to end. And not only monitoring, you said like creation also, right? You can able to create. And you guys said maintaining the application maintenance also. And you said like operations and development, yes, both, or everything is taken care on top of the cloud. Maybe cloud may be a, as I told you, it's a backbone. So these are the things, that is these two main things are necessary for learning DevOps, right? Let me I think Janani can. Yes, Janani, can you just put your name, mobile number and email ID in the chat box? Can you unmute and talk as well? Can you just tell about yourself?
Hi, I'm Janani. I'm currently under operations. I'm under the company Kindle. Uh, yeah, that's it.
You're from basically from,
Sorry, I'm from Chennai.
your native is Chennai only.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Fine. I hope you got some ideas on the major part. It's not just an introduction only. Let me clear this one. Let me introduce myself. Um, I'm Murli here. I'm having overall 17 years of experience. I'm an training and academic head as well. And I'm a certified AWS solution architect as well as DevOps. So I'll be taking care of your training. So I have got your numbers and all those things, your dates. So every day, whatever I'm taking, all the sessions, whatever slides I'm sharing, I'll be sending you as a material as well. Okay, I'm born and brought up from Coimbatore, and I settled here in Bangalore. So I know English, Tamil, and as well as I'm learning Kannada. Fine.
Okay.
Yes, you have any questions?
Nothing. You can go ahead.
Okay. So no, today actually I'm on the way. So suddenly they asked to take for the session. So that's why. So today we'll have the session only for 2 hours. Tomorrow we'll have 3 hours. Is that fine?
Sure, 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 sure.
Okay. And one more person joined. Nishkarsha, can you just introduce yourself? Where are you from? What your experience? Nishkarsha, can you just Janani, can you put your email ID as well in the chat box? And Nishkarsha, can you just put your name, email ID, and phone number in the chat box? And you can just unmute and talk. You can introduce yourself. Yes, can you hear me? Okay, let us go inside. Things we will be going to discuss. So, what is DevOps? Why do we need DevOps? How it different from your traditional IT? What is the DevOps lifecycle, adoption principles, and what are the automation tools? And how DevOps is different from the Agile technologies as well as responsibility of a DevOps engineer. So, all these things we'll be discussing in this module. So, this one module every week we'll try to cover one module, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, I hope by 2 months or 3 months we'll be able to complete this course. If you are will attend regularly, you'll be able to complete it and follow the instructions and the materials which I'm giving it to you. So it will be helpful. And practice, as I'm saying you. So it's like max. You have to practice by yourself. Then only you'll get confidence. Okay. Before we proceed, so at the end of this module, you should be able to see what is DevOps and all those things, life cycle, responsibility, and all those things. So anyone has completed your cloud practitioner, AWS cloud practitioner? Have anyone has completed anything, or have you taken any course on cloud practitioner? Yes, guys, you can just unmute and talk yes or no, or put it in the chat box yes or no. So it will be helpful for me to guide you. Okay.
No, Molly, we haven't. Like, I haven't.
No.
Okay. Fine. So all three you have not done anything about cloud practitioner, correct? Right? Fine. So what you can do is, I'm just sharing this tab for AWS Skill Builder. AWS Skill Builder. You can log in, register with your original email ID. Okay. Create a free account. Okay. Create a free account. I may have given another email ID. Okay. Sure, no issues. We'll log into and I'll explain what is that. So what I would recommend is you can just log into Skill Builder. Okay, just log into Skill Builder, register from Skill Builder, and take a course called AWS Cloud Practitioner. Simultaneously, you do that. It will be helpful for you because it is like an entry pass. Let us say if you want to go to an office, you need a call letter, right? When you go for an interview, you need a call letter or like an ID card. You need an ID card to enter into a premises, correct? Now, same thing when it comes to cloud, you always learn this cloud practitioner. Okay, I will show you the methods and how to log in and all those things. Meanwhile, just to go to AWS Skill Builder, there they have provided the course for free. Okay, it's a free course only, full I think around 11 hour course only it is there. You can able to understand the basics of a practitioner, which will be really helpful for your AWS DevOps course. Throughout this course, it will be really helpful. So whenever I'm saying something, you should be able to understand what I'm saying, how it is connected, and how it is helping DevOps. Those things you should be able to understand. Are you agreeing? Yes.
Okay.
Can I just? Yes. Okay. Thanks. Now let us see what is DevOps. Now DevOps, as you said, like first we'll go for SDLC. As what is in the SDLC? Software Development Lifecycle. So any one of you know about what is Software Development Lifecycle? What is that? Any one of you know about Software Development Lifecycle? How it works? Yes. Okay. Are you taking notes? Have you taken a note actually? If not, please take a note and please keep on writing or say something is important or you should make a note of it. All those things. Okay. Okay. So software development lifecycle, as I said, like it is for developing. Okay. First of all, what is in the software? Let us go for that. What is in the software? So software development, or let us say software developer, we are saying is developing, he is a software developer. What is his role actually? What he is doing? What he is doing? What do you think? Anyway, if you are not aware about what they are doing, but let me you have what they are doing.
He'll code an application.
Will code an application. Okay. What about you, Baduri, Janani? What you're saying?
Yes, pretty much same.
Coding an application.
Coding, understanding the design.
Okay. What will be the final outcome actually? They're developing application, only application they're developing. Then we can mention them as an application developer. Am I right? Am I right? Will they develop website?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Will they develop CRMs, customer relationship management portals? Will they develop ERP, enterprise relationship platform? Will they develop LMS, learning management system like you are using now LCM? Is this website is useful for you as a learner? Right? Is it having all the options that you're looking for? Correct. So software developer is not only an application developer. He can develop websites, CRM, ERP, LMS, whatever we want. Right. But it is related to software. Why we are selling software? So it's an application or it's solving some problem. Correct. We want to put something in an automation mode, or we want that application or a website or a CRM to be an intermediary tool to solve our problem or connect our customers or clients. Am I right? So now, from the beginning, I think when software development started, do you have any idea? Let us don't want to go to this one. Let us say when is Google started? When this era has been changed. Previously, we were not fully dependent on Google, right? So when Google started, any guesses?
98.
98. Okay. Yes, 98. Closely 2000 is the era. Okay, 2000 it started. So let us say 2K it's like that. 2000 it started. After that, let us take this one, Amazon or AWS. This started in 2006. Okay, now it has been now I think more than now 20 years, and Google started 25 years. Now software development means he might be the developing this Google and all those things. So he might be there before 1990s or 1980s itself. He might be a software developer. Correct. Now all these people will have a set of pattern, right? I think you guys are working professional, so you have some certain rules or patterns to do something. Am I right? I think you guys are from technical support, right? You both are Vasavi and Janani, and you are in PwC. You have some certain rules and regulations to do
Yes,
some.
we have.
So what is that we call it as? Can we call it as SOP?
Protocol.
Yes, protocol. Fine. SOP means, again, I think the other people know, standard operation procedure. Correct. Standard operation procedure. If something wrong happened, how will you solve that problem? You'll be having a step by step instruction. Yes. Now same thing, developing a software. Will they have provided some steps to do that? Yes. So that we call it as what? Software development life cycle. Let us say what are the development phases? What are the development phases? So whenever a client, let us take this is an US client, correct? Right? India is dependent fully on US client or UK client, correct? Where more of the profit is coming from these clients. So when they want to develop an application or a website or a CRM, whatever it is, first our software development or the team has to go to some first phase. That is a procedure. What is the first procedure? First is what? A requirement analysis. That means you go and get with the client what they want. Correct? And what is the next one? Defining. Defining means whether you understood everything correctly, whatever he is saying. Yes, whatever he says, I understood. That is, I will put in my own words. Correct? It's not like when somebody is talking and when we asked you to take notes, what you will do? You write exactly as it is, or you will you use your own words in between. Will you do it exactly as it is, whatever he spoke? Will you able to write everything fully as it is, or you will write it in your own words? Let us say between. He is saying the speaker is saying between. Will you write between BTW and between, or you will put B/W? What you will put? Yes, guys, I'm asking you. Which one is easy for you?
B/W.
B/W, right? Because you are defining yourself. Okay, this is what he is trying to say. Okay, I'll put between. I don't want to write so much wrong. Same thing is defining. This we define. That is a software developer, the person who is taking requirement. Yes. Next one is your designing. So what they look for. Then we will go for our designing. Designing is nothing but like the flow. Okay, this is the flow, right? You might have learned. I think. Okay, how many of them you are from computer science background? I just forgot to ask.
Myself,
Who's that?
Vasan.
Vasil. Okay. What about you, Janani and Badri?
So I completed my BBA and then MBA.
Be it
Unfortunately, no computer science. BBA.
DBA. Okay. BA and BBA and MBA.
Yep.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
Janani. What about Janani? What about you? Okay, fine. So you might have, it's okay, whatever you learned, you might have a flow. Now, first of all, you draw some structure. Na? That's what you're designing. So, okay, this is what is K. This is A. From A to go it should to B and C. Then C's input should be in D. Like that, we'll have a slope. So that's what designing. Next, we'll come to the real coding. Okay, for doing this, we need a coding. Correct. Next coding will go to that this developer will do. Then it will come for testing, then deployment. Deployment in the production phase. Then continuously we keep on maintaining. Continuously we keep on maintaining. Right. So maintenance is the main charge. Where previously, whenever a software is developed, the company has to provide a support. The company has to provide a support. So whatever happens, for that also they will charge. Or initially, first it was like one time you download the software, after that there is no communication between that company and you. The best example would be like you know VLC media player. Download VLC media player in your system, like any player also fine, video player. Yes, come on guys, in your system you downloaded any video player.
Yes. Well,
Yes,
You
it's already
download.
downloaded. Yep.
Download. Are you providing any continuous upgrade continuously? Are you doing it and paying for it?
no.
No, right?
Mm.
It's a free software you downloaded. One time you downloaded, that's it. Correct now? So there is no relationship between that software, the company who has developed it and has put it in the uploaded in the Google or in the search bar, whatever it is, in the website, in the web development. Now there is no relationship between you and the that company, the software development. Now same thing here. Previously it was like the software development once it is done, let it be a US client or UK client, whatever it is, once they developed and cleaned up, finished it. Some companies asked, yes, we need continuous support. If something issue happened, you only have to take the maintenance. Like how we buy a product, we will ask for warranty, guarantee, and all, right? The same thing was happening. So now this was the phase where initially they started with. This is your software development life cycle. Now, what is the next phase they came? They want to see, is it the same type of websites are you seeing from the beginning? Let us say you started ISO. I just now told like in 2000 we started Google. Is it the same website are we seeing now? What are we seeing before 10 years? Is all the websites are similar? No, right? There are a lot of advanced features. Correct, right? Now same thing in the software development also, in the phases, these 7 phases. Correct, all these 7 phases, they have also brought some changes. They also brought some changes. That is called your agile technology, agile methodology. Agile methodology. Now what is this here? What is the change here? Here also we have 7 phases. Correct, now first one is what? We directly not going for this requirement analysis, but we go for plan. In the plan itself will be there. So plan, then design, directly coming here, and develop and test and deploy. Now before, after deploy you just to review it. After deploy you just review it, and then you go and launch, and then you go and launch. Now launch is what actually? Previously it was only a software. Previously it was only a software where we purchase one time. If you want maintenance, they will give you. Nowadays, if you don't want maintenance, they don't want to support you. That's it. One time payment, you will finish it. After that time, there is no connection between this client and you as a software developer. But now here in the agile methodology, what is the plus point here? They are going to launch. They are going to launch an application, right? The people usually say, na, like your mobile launch. They will launch on the cloud and see how it is going on. They launch on the they will launch the application on the cloud, and they will see how it is going on. Now let us say your WhatsApp. Let us say your WhatsApp. Is WhatsApp is only a one-time installation? After that, are you doing anything for the WhatsApp? One time once you install.
Updates.
Exactly. Update. You are updating things. Yes. Why it is coming? Okay, what is the update in there? What is the update?
To give a better version of that application.
To give the rendered version. Okay.
Better version.
What was the difference actually? Like previously also you were using WhatsApp, and again you are updating. After update, what you are able to see? That's what I'm
New
asking.
features.
Design changes.
Uh-huh. Design changes. Okay. New features. Yes. Who's updating all these things? Who is updating all these things?
Developer will modify the
Yes. Now you are able to see a clear idea. I think you will get some idea why we want to go from this phase to this phase. What is the plus point? That means previously you develop an application or a software. After that, there is no relationship between you and the client. Okay, the software developer and the client, there is no relationship because you have developed the software whatever he asked as per his requirement. You have finished it. Maintenance also you have done. This is what you have to do and closed it. Correct? Now, see, for example, you buy a doll, which is like you buy a doll which is having a which is used based on battery. Okay, if the doll is not working, what do you have to do? What might be the issue?
Change the battery.
Exactly. Now they will say clearly, when you buy a product itself, they will say that this is a product, this will do, this is having all these features. If something is not working, please go and change the battery. That remind me the issue. You will be able to change the battery by yourself. If you are able to do that, then that's fine, it will work, start working. Correct? Like best example is your watch. In your house you have watch, right? Are we taking the watch to any mechanic shop if it's not, if stopped working? No, right? We just change the battery and started working again. Now that's what happening previously, correct? But now what is happening? You are keep on example is your WhatsApp, correct? As you said, keep on adding features, keep on adding features. Why we keep on adding features? Okay, yes. Why we keep on adding features? What might be the reason?
to avoid the bugs which we found out.
It's already working now. That's why you have launched also. How will come bugs? How come bugs will come?
To better understand what people using it are thinking and rectifying the complaints.
just rectifying the complaints if there is any issue. That means the comfortability, let us say, correct na? The
Mm-hmm.
user is not comfortable
Yes.
using it, or the options might be somewhere else. People are not able to understand the configuration, right? And another thing
Mm-hmm.
is they want to compete with other apps, correct na? Now WhatsApp is there, not similar to WhatsApp, something else is also there. There are a lot of communication apps, correct na? Yes. So
Mm-hmm.
now WhatsApp has to beat all those things. Now I think you tell me this. What are the additional features now? New features WhatsApp has added when compared to past 1 year or 2 years, 2 years back. Let us take 2 years back.
Use of
You
UPI
guys are
in
using right?
WhatsApp. Use of UPI.
Exactly. UPI. Yes. Use of UPI payment. Yes. Now he's competing with PhonePe or Google Pay. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Next, any other feature? You check your WhatsApp. You will be able to know that.
Uh, Connectivity to multiple devices.
Okay, connected to multiple devices. Simply, you just see. You don't want to go in depth and all. Simply, you see what else you will be
HDR
able to.
feature to send pictures more uh, with more clarity.
Okay. I think girls always look for clarity, phone images, right? So, okay. You looked on that. Okay. Next. Next. Can you able to see that there is status, community, updates, story, something like that? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Where are these features previously? Is these features
Instant
having
Facebook.
in some other app? Exactly. So instant Facebook again is competing. Yes. So continuously they keep on improvising thing and being the competitor, and you don't want to lose their customers. Correct. Now, so for that I need to keep on upgrading. I need to keep on upgrading. So that's where this agile methodology comes, where it will launch. And what is the plus point? What is the advantage here for the software development here? Can you guys guess it? You guys are being in the field now. You have customers, clients. Yes. Yes or no? You have customers, clients.
Yes.
Will you do the service only for one time and leave these customers?
No.
What do you want to do?
So like let's say if you are on a project for 1 year, if you're building him or her the deck, um, we will obviously give them the deck within 1 month, and then it will be continuous monitoring that, improving that deck.
Okay. Now, after this 1 year, also we want this customer or not?
If they pay, then definitely we will also work with them.
Okay. The main objective, what your company will say when you're dealing with this client, what the company will say. Make sure that
They are paying.
okay, they are paying is fine. One more thing, they're coming back. What?
Mm-hmm.
They're coming back to you. Am I right?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So we need recurring. We need recurring income. Correct na? Recurring customers on, then only your business will grow. You will grow. Otherwise, every time when your software is done, you have to go find a new client. Is finding new client is easy, or making the existing customers continue with is easy?
Existing customers.
Exactly. Correct. Now that's what this agile technology is there. Where you launch, you keep on upgrading things. We will be supporting you till the end. We will not leave you at any cost. Correct now, they will put you somebody else for monitoring, as you said, like monitoring the application end to end. What the US people are doing, I think you see, this IRCTC.
Yes.
You guys know IRCTC? Yes. What is that?
Train booking software.
Yes. Is this a one time software?
No.
Is it not having any issue? Is it having a lot of issue? or they keep on continuously upgrading it, changing the infrastructure, changing the structure, designs, features, everything. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I hope you guys also know who is taking care of this. IRCTC. I think TCS.
TCS. TCS or
Right.
Infosys?
TCS or Infosys. I think one. TCS or Infosys. Only one is taking care of this. I think Infosys is taking it. TCS is taking another things. Telecommunication TCS is taking. Fine. Now, why they want to do? They don't want to leave any customers. Correct? Now, so that's why they bought this agile technology. Now, in what is a plus point here is here we have to wait for all the phases to get completed. Once this is done, then it will done. 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 Okay. Once one phase is over, then it will come to defining. Defining comes designing. Designing and coding. Coding finishes only. The testing will go. Then the deployment. Then the maintenance. Now again here, you'll plan, design, develop, test, deploy, review, and then only they will launch. Now launch date might, for example, they might have given 30th November, but again due to development delay, the design will delay. I mean, the testing will delay, deployment will delay, review will delay, and launch also will get delayed. Correct. So now let us say everybody is going or focusing only on one thing. What is that in life? In life as well in software or whatever it is, whatever field you are, they are focusing on only one thing. What is that?
Availability.
Hmm?
Availability.
Available. Availability you're saying?
Yes.
No. Everybody are focusing on only one thing. Every company is also focusing on one thing, and you guys also
Profit.
focusing on one thing. Huh?
Profit.
Traffic, profit.
Profit.
Okay. Profit is fine. Okay. How much profit are you really saying? Let us say let us say you are earning 3 lakh. Let us take you are earning 3 lakh. You want to get 10 lakh in the next month itself. Will you wish? If somebody, let us say, if somebody is offering you 10 lakh, let us say you are already in 3 lakh package. Somebody is ready to offer you 10 lakh package. Will you go for it or not? You are, let us say, you are having only 1 year experience. Let us take, but the company is ready to offer you 10 lakh package. Will you go or not?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Better package. And already I have a grasp of the work I do,
Mm-hmm.
so I will be able to manage easily.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let us say, can I say, but previously those who got 10 lakh, let us say he has worked for 8 years or 10 years, let us say. Now you are getting 10 lakh in the second year itself. You will be ready to accept that. Why? Will you go and say, no, no, I'll wait for 10 years to reach this 10 lakh and I will wait in the same package, whatever. No, right? We'll go take that 10 lakh. Why? Because we want to, what we want? Why we want to accept the 10 lakh package? Let us say we want to settle fast. Yes. Grow fast. Yes, sir. Yes, no.
Better opportunity.
Yes, right. Better opportunity, but you are growing yourself faster, right? When compared to your, let us say, your father, right? Whatever your father might have earned at that age, but you will be growing faster than him. Am I right? So same thing for applications also. What you will focus on? Let us take you are going and downloading a calculator app. Let us take a calculator. When you type calculator, are you able to see there are millions of calculators or some multiple calculators are showing up? Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now which calculator you will select? Let us say 10 calculator it is running. It is showing. Which calculator you will select?
The one showing at the top.
Okay. You install. Let us say you in the top there was some calculator and you installed it, but it is working very slowly. Now what you will do?
With good ratings.
Delete it.
You will delete it. Okay. You will delete it and then what you will do? You will install another one. Yes or no? Will
Yes.
you install? Yes, correct. Which one you will install? Again, you will use it that another one, and you check whether it is faster or not.
Correct.
Am I right?
Yes.
So exactly, world wants everything fast. World wants everything fast. Your application also should be fast. Correct, na? If Instagram is not faster and it's slowly loading, you will not use Instagram itself. Okay, you guys itself say so which one is faster? Instagram is faster or YouTube is faster?
Both similar speed.
Both similar speed, huh? Sure.
Yes. Yes, both similar speed, but more that both are for different purpose.
Okay. When the network is very low, which one will work?
Insta.
Now, which is faster?
Insta.
Yes. So that's what the thing is. Everyone wants to go faster. Same thing now. The software development lifecycle. First we started with the SDLC. Then came for Agile technology, then methodology, which is going for launching. Now here, what is the problem? What is the problem here? Why it is this both the methods? Now it becomes slow. Why? Because as you see, all these two methods having the phases. All these two methods having phases. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means when this guy completes only, this guy will get. Then this guy, then the other guy, then the question, then the development. Same thing here. First one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So first phase completed, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So all these phases completed only will come. When one person stuck in between, so all these people will get affected. So now their product cannot be delivered or launched on that particular date because of one person or one team. Now that's what here. So the person who creates, test everything. Then it will come for operation. What is operation? What is operation? Let us take this best example. Have you seen this Zomato? You're using Zomato? Yes. You're using Zomato or Swiggy, whatever it is. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Let us see the process of Zomato. Now, first you have to install it, then register it, then log in. Okay. Then you select item, then you order, then payment, then the merchant, that is the restaurant, has to accept your order, then the delivery boy has to accept your order, then the tracking number should come, then before coming they will ask you now tips and all, correct? Tips, then deliver feedback, then from next day they will send you notifications, correct na? They will send you notifications that this is low price, that is low price, correct? Right now all these are operations. Now is anybody sitting now? Zomato has millions of customers, millions of restaurant, millions of delivery boys, am I right? Yes or no? Millions of customer, millions of delivery boy, millions of restaurants. All these three things has to be connected. Correct now? So every second one order is getting delivered. Right? Now in this full of operation task is there. That is, message has to go, the tracking has to come, the message delivered message has to come, all these things are there. Is anybody sitting and doing all these things?
Automatic.
Automatic, correct now? Now, so this is full of operation. So now operation teams will really work on the application and they will give the exact feedback what how the user will feel. Correct? Now these people who are developing the software or application, they are taking a lot of time for the preparation. Let us say 6 months time they have created. But after, as just now I told the calculator example, you said like there are 10 calculators were there. In that 10 calculators, first one is not using, not working. Then what is the use of that application? What is the use of this? All these 6 phases, 7 phases they have come across. Correct now? That application when they develop, they have followed this SDLC. Even after following all the rules and regulations of the SDLC lifecycle, still the application has not able to meet the customer requirement. Then what is the use of that application? Am I right? So now what is happening? This operation team who is really working on the application, they will give the feedback. Okay, this is not good, that is not good, this is not good, that's not good. Now it is going back again to the development team. Now it is going back again to the development team. Again they develop, again they come for testing, maintenance, launch, everything they'll come. But again they will come for operation. Again operation will say some feedback is not, it's not user friendly, this page is not user friendly, so I have to change this, you have to change this, that, all those things, correct now? So now this is taking more time, this is taking more time. As just now I told you, the world is moving only on one word, that is fast. I want to get everything fast, I want to settle fast, I want to use the app which is very fast, I want everything fast. Customers, if you order an item in a hotel and they are not coming for 1 hour, will you sit in that hotel? No, right? Yes, they will say 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, also they're not coming. Again, they're saying 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. It took 1 hour. Will you sit? Now, same thing, this operation. Now, here you see, it's extended the timelines and delayed the entire software lifecycle. Because they is giving feedback after everything, development, testing, everything is over. Then he is coming into the picture and say, like a user is using and facing all these issues. Okay, these are the issues you are facing. I want to solve this. So you change the development. You change the structure, everything. Now this is what your normal cycle. What is happening? So the developer, the development team is doing. Then it will be given to the operation. Now operation will give the feedback. Again the development team will work. Again the development team will work from the beginning. From the beginning they will work and they will update it or change it, whatever it is. Right. So now what is happening here? The time delay. There is a time delay. Sometimes the code also has to change entirely. This front view also they have to change everything. So let us say, if you take a normal website, what you are able to understand. I mean, let's say if you go to any website, let us say, you're able to see some websites are in blue color, some websites are in green color, some websites in red color. So why they want to use all these colors? From where they took these colors? Do you have any idea? Do you guys have any idea? Do you guys have any idea on that? From where they are taking these colors from? How they are exactly making your website very neatly? How they choose the colors actually? What do you think? What do you think? If you have any idea, just say that, or you just say no. I'll just tell you the answer. Yes, guys. Do you have any idea about that? If you go to any website, you are able to see they are choosing some specific colors. Why they choose those colors? Do you have any ideas? Yes, Baduri, Vasavi, do you have any idea? Please tell me that, or no?
There might be some pattern to follow that. So
Okay, what pattern?
color chart, I'm not sure.
Okay, they will use color chart and select, okay, color, this color, this color. Correct, huh? Yes.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Yes, Baduri.
Same here. Not very sure.
Okay. So there is a rule who are designing a website, or designing, he might be a UI UX designer or a web designer or a logo designer. Let's say. So their website, their entire website should be in the logo colors only. Okay, the logo, whatever colors they have used, only those colors they have to select it for their website designing. That's what the ideal route as a developers, as a website developers, they should know. Okay, now same thing, if that is not correct, then it's utter waste. You're spending time in creating a website. The client will see, where is my logo colors, where is my colors. They'll ask you the simple question, where is my colors. That is their logo representing all the colors. Let us say a logo is having 7 colors. Now you can use those 7 colors. Now the logo is having only 2 colors. Then mainly you should use the 2 colors. Wherever possible, you have to use it. Maximum you will try to cover that with like the dark, slide, dark, light, and mid range you can able to use. Now same thing here also. It is totally timeless. I think now you can able to see the difference between Zomato and Swiggy. What is the difference? Color is the difference. Am I right? Is there any application differences there? Same thing, whatever you are able to do in Zomato, you can able to do in Swiggy also. Am I right? 1 or 2 rupees will be here and there difference about the prices. That's it. Apart from that, everything is same. If you change that Swiggy to red color, then it will become Zomato. Am I right? What you will say? Well, let us say you are the audience, correct? What you will say?
Yeah, yeah,
Swiggy
correct.
has been changed to Zomato, or Zomato has purchased, or Zomato has taken this Swiggy company. Will you say it or not? Just the color change, you will understand. Correct, na? Okay, fine. Now, what is the solution for this? This is taking more time because this feedback at last and again going and developing and coming back. Now, here is the solution. What is the solution? DevOps is the solution. DevOps is the solution. Now, what is DevOps? Development team is nothing but both the development and testing team together, and the operation team plus is the IT team. That is, both are going to work on the field. Now, DevOps is nothing but a methodology. It is not a tool. It is not a tool. It is a methodology. Methodology means just now we saw SDLC methodology, Agile methodology, Waterfall methodology, same thing. This DevOps is a methodology. It's like a framework. That's it. It is a software development in the IT industry, where it will be having some set of practice like 7 phases. How we have same thing, we have the phases here in the DevOps. It is used as a set of practice or tools. That means it is mainly automating all our work, the software development life cycle, everything. I want to automate it. I want to automate it. Why I want to automate it? I want to improve. I want to improve and shortening the system development life cycle faster. As I told you, I want to go fast. So I have to do the changes in the main content itself, main structure itself. Structure means what? This is a software development life cycle is a framework. That frame itself I have some issues, so I have to change that. That's what this DevOps. As I mentioned, DevOps is nothing but a methodology. Methodology means it is not a tool, nothing. The name it is DevOps. That means inside that you have multiple tools which is going to help you to develop that life cycle. It will be a part of your life cycle of DevOps. Now here you can able to see the proper definition of DevOps. DevOps is not a tool, it is a software. It is nothing but a culture. Culture means what? What is mean by culture? Culture means adapting to something. Correct? Let us say you are on Diwali function. You want to put salwar or something means waist t-shirt or salwar means that is fine. That is culture, right? So we are following some culture. Same thing with DevOps. We are just following a culture. This is this pattern you're following. Mainly for what reason? For continuous improvement. What? Continuous improvement. Like your WhatsApp. His WhatsApp is getting updated every 3 months once, I think so. 3 months or 6 months, it will keep on asking you to upgrade it. Am I right? Yes or no? If you're not upgrading, what it is showing? Is it allowing you to use the WhatsApp? No. Correct, na? It is not allowing you to use WhatsApp. Am I right? Yes or no? First it will ask you to update, then only it will ask you to
Access it.
use it. Am I right? Because they want that features to be added to your WhatsApp. Then only you will be using it. Now users having some complaints or something, they will definitely take it as a review. I think some people will go and put it in the rating, as you said. Ratings, they will go and write whatever they want, whatever they think about that particular app. Now that what here the DevOps is sorting out. Whatever I want to continuously keep on improving. Right? It will help you to bring the developer team and the operation team on the same page. Now, what is happening is whenever he is changing something, let us say this is a website. Let us say this is a website. Okay, he has created a header section, footer section, and section. Now he has put green color here. He has put yellow color here, and he has put black color here. Now the developer is changing this color to blue. Now once you change the blue, immediately that is denoted by the, this is watch. This is keep on watched and monitored by the operation team. Whatever change you are doing here, it will be reflecting here. Now this guy will say, no, this website logo color is green, orange and yellow. So you cannot put blue here. He will immediately say to him, he will not. That means the operation team don't want to wait for all the 7 phases to complete and then come back to operation. No, that is not right. Once he do something, one single change he changed, immediately he will be knowing that. He will keep on monitoring, he will be knowing that. He will say his correction immediately. Now once the correction is done immediately, I am saving lot of time. Am I right? Because final stage I don't want to come and say these many bugs are there, these many features you have to change, all those things you don't want to say. Am I right or not? Yes. Now whenever the wrong thing is happening, like your parents sometimes will say, no, hey, don't do this like this before you do something. If they know that no, this is it's not, it's a good not a good idea. If it's not a good idea, they will say, right, no, it's not a good idea, please change the plan or do like this, they will guide you. Now, is it necessary before you do something or after you finish and everything? Then you come and say, and they will say, okay, I already told you at that time, or I thought to inform you, but you were running fast, so I didn't say it to you. How would it look like? Am I right? If they say it to you immediately, you'll be able to correct it faster if you're ready to accept that. That's one thing. With valid reason, if they're saying yes, you will accept it. Am I right or not? Now, same thing, this operations team is what they're doing. They are using the operation. They are the real-time workers. They are the field workers. They will know what a user wants. So they are giving the feedback immediately. Now the developer don't want to have the tension at the last minute or coming back after the everything is over. Now he is going to give you immediate feedback. Now this will bring the operation and development together. That's what this DevOps. When the development phase and the operation teams works together, that is your DevOps, where both are in the same page. Yes, when you change it from green to blue, operation team is guiding that. No, don't go for green, don't go for blue. We always go for the green. Why? Because that company's logo is only on green, orange, and black. Only these things should be there. You have to go with that. Now he is guiding now, right? So by this way, you are reducing what? What is the benefit of this? Okay, now joining this development team and operation team are in the same page. What is the benefit of this? Can you guys say what you
There
understood?
will be
Yes,
time delay.
time. You're reducing time. You're reducing time, or what you're saying?
Yeah, reducing time.
Okay, reducing time. Okay, that means your software development takes
reducing
more time. Mm,
reducing overall cost.
exactly. Cost we are reducing. Time we are reducing. Next, one more thing. Not regarding reducing. One more thing is that. What is that? Will you able to deliver the product on time?
Yes,
Right? We can promise the customer that it will be happen on time. Correct, na? On time. That means you are giving your proper commitment. You are fulfilling your commitment. Am I right? Fulfill your commitment. Correct, na? Now you can write this definition of DevOps. What is DevOps? Okay. Now this will help you to bring your development and operations team on the same page, allowing to work together with ease. You wrote it. If you're done, that's fine. Let me know.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. Whether you are done.
yes,
Okay. Now, as like your software development like phases, we have phases as well. Which one? DevOps also have phases. What are those phases? What are those phases? So here you can see DevOps culture. DevOps culture, which is implementing several phases with the help of several tools as well. Same thing here also. What is that first phase? First phase is like plan, code, build, test. Now all these are coming under development phase. Next, both of these things are integrated. You'll go to deployment, then operate and monitor. Now, for doing all these seven phases, we are splitting that previously it was for development life cycle. So one single phase. Now it's a combination of both development team and the operations team. Okay. Now here, as we already mentioned, as you know, plan, yes, code, build, test, deploy, operate, and monitor. Now we have several tools to do all these tasks as well. Several tools. Why we want to use tools first of all?
to ease the overall process.
Yes. Mixed one, maybe automate. We use tools mainly to automate. Yes, correct. So we have these tools. Let us take all these tools. You see Git, Maven, Selenium testing, Jenkins, deployment tools and operate tools like Operate, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Nagios, all those things. Now, what is this V1, V2? What is it? V1, V2. V1 is nothing but version 1 and V2 is not version 2. V2 is version 2. Now, what is this V1, V2? Let us take. Just now I told you, let us take this as a website. Okay, he is mentioning that this is in green color, the top header, that's blue, and this is orange. Okay, now the developer has already done this and it has been approved by the operations team. Okay, one, and they agreed also. Okay, this they said it's good, let us go with. Now this will get stored where in one of the tool or a platform that is in the cloud. Okay, this website, let us say this website is stored in the cloud space as V1, as V1, that is version 1, first one. Now later operation teams checked their logo and found that the company will not like the color called orange. They will not like the orange color. Or let us say no, the orange color should be changed to yellow color. Okay. Now what he'll do? He will inform the development team. Now the development team will go and change this orange color into yellow color. Now again they'll update it in the cloud. Again they update it in the cloud. Now this previous thing which we have uploaded, we already called as V1. Now the second one we have uploaded will store it as V2. Stored as V2. Next again third one, whatever you are using, you can able to change it. But why we want to have these versions? Do you have any idea why you want to store all these versions? Version 1, version 2, version 3, or whatever it is.
For anyone
Use
who is
point to me.
using the for anyone who is using the cloud, it will be they will be able to easily identify that which one is the newer version.
No, for public way you want to display all these things.
Not
It's
publicly,
a
like
client is
for
paying
any
for you. Mm.
right. So
Internal.
let's say for anyone from the ops team or anyone from the development team wants to check the software, so they will have an idea that
Mm.
which is V1 and V2.
They will have an idea. You're saying
Hmm.
only for that purpose we are storing this. You as a designer, let us say you as a developer or a designer, will you have some idea?
We
Will you
find
have
any
some idea? Hmm? You are trying to say something, wasn't it?
if we find any mistakes in version 2, then we can go back to version 1.
Oh, okay. Mistakes in that. Okay. We just change the color only, na? What mistake is there? Okay. Let us keep it as mistake also. Or let us keep that it's a backup copy where I want to come back if I don't like V2 or the client is don't like V2 and the client like V1. Can I come back? Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes, right. I can able to come back. So the main reason is I want to come back anytime at any time. Let us say this version one itself not there. What will happen? Now you are showing this green color into yellow color. Okay. Now this yellow color you are showing it to the client. Now client is saying instead of yellow color you should have put orange color. Now client is saying now what you will do? We already not saved the V1. Now what you will do? Again you go and develop that again. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? You have not stored that, you deleted that. Now there is no version copy. You're updating into orange color to yellow color and you're showing it to the client. Now client is suggesting that why don't you keep this instead of yellow color, why don't you put orange color? Like what you think first. Like that he is saying. Now what you have to do? Yes, Badri, you're trying to say.
Again, we have to then create the whole product.
Whole thing first from the beginning, right? Let us say
Yes.
you're doing some changes. Now instead
Yes.
of that only, we are having this one stored. With this one stored as a version. This one is stored in the version. Now
Hmm.
where we are storing this all these things in the codes. Now same thing the code, entire code of version 1 and version 2, everything is stored in where?
Cloud.
Cloud. What is that tool name? GitHub. What? GitHub. You're storing all your codes in the GitHub so that you can come and take it whenever you want, wherever you are. Wherever you are, all over the world, you can able to access GitHub. You can take that code. You can come back to the original code also. You just have to go one step back. Now this change of versioning is called commit. What in the GitHub we'll be learning about commit. Okay, this commit will be learning. Commit is nothing but change. Commit is nothing but change. I change and upgrade. It will automatically go and update in the code version. Okay. Now other tools like Jenkins is an integration tool. Both it will work with DevOps. The entire lifecycle it will work with DevOps. Testing we have Selenium testing, and building we have one more tool called Maven. Planning and deployment tools, and again deployment tools like you have your IAC, that is your Terraform, all those things, and operations tools like Ansible, Docker, where I want to operate, and Kubernetes, and monitoring tool like Nagios, Prothemus, and Grafana. All those things. There are a lot of other tools. First, let us take that. Is it possible to learn all these tools? Is it learn? Is it possible? Possible is fine. Is it
No.
necessary to learn all these tools? What do you think? Now you got some idea what is DevOps, right? DevOps is nothing but a methodology. I told you it is not a tool. Now what do you think? Is it necessary, compulsory to know all these tools, or the logic you need to know? Maybe you might not have good idea. Okay, yes, Badri, what you
Logic.
saying? What I
Logic.
logic. Yes, exactly. You're able to see when I know all these things to use firmly. That means I'm using DevOps or I'm implementing DevOps methodology properly. If I don't know this tools also fine, but I should know the phases. I should know the phases. First phase is what, second phase is what, third phase is what. In that, I have multiple tools. Now DevOps has been become a wider technology. That means it's not like only one tool that you need. It depends on the company as well. Okay, if the company is, let us take, if the company Jenkins is mainly closer with Java, okay, but not with Python, not with Python. Now, if your application is mainly developed on basis of Python, will you take Jenkins?
No.
Yes, just now I told you Jenkins is only supporting on Java. Now, same thing. This all these three are a same service. All these three are same service. Now, Kubernetes can able to take care of end to end container services. It can able to take care. Now, if I am able to take end-to-end container services by Kubernetes itself, do I need to know Ansible or do I need to know Docker? How these things are working? In sense, you might know mainly, but the thing is, most of the applications, all the end-to-end task is taken care by Kubernetes. Now, will you learn more about Kubernetes or Docker and Ansible? Which one you'll learn more, or you should know more?
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes, right? Now, DevOps was what has happened is previously it was like DevOps first when AWS comes, AWS DevOps they kept it. Then Azure. So I think you know what are the major cloud service provider. Who are the major cloud service providers?
AWS,
Who are the
GCP, and Azure.
yes exactly AWS, Azure, and GCP. Now these are all public cloud. These are all public cloud. Public cloud means sense anyone can able to go and use it. They just by paying and they'll be using it. And other thing is, as your GCP is already providing you free services like your Gmail, right? And Azure we have some small amount, and AWS we have some initial amount where we can able to use it for our private application creation. We have other. These are public cloud. That is publicly known clouds. There are private clouds. There are private clouds. What are these private clouds? What are these private clouds?
Only the organization have the access for the cloud storage. Cloud.
Exactly. Example. Nice. Example. A very famous company. That is the first computer company, I would say. First, I think so.
Oracle.
No, before that. I think in 1960s itself it is started. Closer, closer. If you think closer, you'll get closer. You say the names, you'll get it.
IBM.
Exactly. What? IBM Cloud, private cloud. Another one more. Now it is establishing a lot of. They are establishing more now, especially in sales and marketing.
Salesforce.
Exactly. Salesforce. Now these private clouds, what they will charge more because they're using only for that particular company. They will get each user one cost. Each user ID itself will cost you. But this one will be user. They will give you for free first 6 months. You free experiment it, know more about it, and only charge for the services that you take. Which one? These public clouds. These public clouds, AWS, Azure, and GCP, they will charge for services, not for the account. But here, IBM, Salesforce, all those things, private cloud, they will charge you for accounts itself. One login you will be able to, you will need more money, correct? Maybe the main, which one is a tool? Let us take this an enterprise tool. Which application they are using for the enterprise tools? Let us take enterprise companies. Do you know what are these enterprise companies? Big enterprise companies. Do you have any idea? Say yes or no. The others I'll explain. Yes, guys. Okay, I think Badri, have you gone to any this Bajaj showroom, Bajaj two-wheeler Bajaj showroom where you buy spare
Yes.
parts? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Have you seen the screen actually billing screen? How they bill it?
Mm, I kind of looked at it. Yes.
Some black screen was there. You see that they will type only the item number or the
Mm-hmm.
code for that item. The bill will get generated. Correct now? White color
Yes.
bill will get generated. Correct. Now you can able to see that Bajaj showrooms, I mean Bajaj automobiles showrooms where you buy spare parts, you'll be able to see only a black screen. They will not have a GUI also. Correct. Now the interface is only for your product update, delete. That's it. The inventory management is happening. Correct. Why I call this as an enterprise company? Because let us say Bajaj showroom in Bangalore. You are in Bangalore, right? Okay. In Bangalore, how many Bajaj spare part showroom is there?
Multiple.
In Bangalore itself, let us say 150. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then Karnataka, entire Karnataka, how much will be there? Minimum 250.
Yes.
Now again Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, entire India, minimum 2000 to 2500 branches. Correct. Now in one Bangalore, one center, one shop, you are going and buying a item called, let us say, your accelerator cable. Accelerator cable is gone for your bike, and you are going and buying that. We might have an idea only we are buying accelerator cable, but in a day there might be some 20 people purchasing in this Bangalore one center. Okay. Now think about this 250 centers in Karnataka. Correct. Now this Karnataka alone, let us take 1,000 items required, 1,000 items sold. Now again, entire India, how many items sold? Now what has to be notified to the production team who is creating this, who is building this one, this accelerator cable? They should have a notification, right? They will get a notification, or you might set a quantity limit that when it's go below 20 quantity, you place an order automatically, so the production team will come and deliver that item. You see this car showrooms or mobile automobile showrooms, you'll be see they will say spare parts is on the way, spare parts is on the way. Will they sit and calculate all these things, or it should happen automatically?
Automatic.
Automatic, right? So they are using some software, right? For the enterprise companies,
ERP
they
software.
use one software. Yes, what is that software name? Do you know that?
ERP software.
No, ERP now they are building it. Older previously they have used some other software. Then now they are coming for ERP. Now that is called what? That is called what?
SAP.
SAP. Yes. So that's a German product where they get one user which is having a more the one user ID itself which is costing you more in lakhs, where it will control everything, where it will control everything. That's why SAP was very high cost. I think the course also will be costing now. SAP is getting degraded because of this ERP and other cloud applications and software where a lot of shortcuts came. Right now, similarly, we are having this DevOps which is reducing and automating all these steps, automating the SAP and everything control in one shot. For that, I am taking the support of all these tools and developing an application or a website or a CRM mainly to take care of the entire process by itself, by automating itself. So coming to the end of this section one, what are the key takeaways we do take from this? Yes, Vasavi, can you just read it?
DevOps is a methodology in the software development and IT industry. DevOps is not a tool or a software. It is a culture that you can adopt for continuous improvement. It will help you to bring your developer team and operation team on the same page, allowing them to work together with ease.
Yes. So today we just saw about what is DevOps. Now, tomorrow we'll see what is why do we need DevOps and other things, whatever I mentioned in the first slide. Once the first module is over, then I'll be sharing the materials. Okay. Meanwhile, you can just keep on making notes. Then only you'll understand. Okay. So I think tomorrow Janani and others will join on time. I think tomorrow we have at 7 to 10, correct? I mean, sorry, 6 to 8. 6 to 6, 7, 9, I think. So 6 to 9, correct? Yes.
I was informed that it will be in the afternoon, 3 to 6.
Yeah, 3 to 6.
Afternoon 3 to 6, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Afternoon 3 to 6. Fine. Afternoon 3 to 6 is fine. Is that fine for you guys?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes.
So Saturday alone, it will be from 7 to
7
10,
to
huh?
10.
7 to 10. And this one will be from 3 to 6. Okay. Fine then. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. I will send you the meeting link before 5 minutes or 10 minutes before, or at this time itself I'll send. Please check your email. It will automatically come to your email. You can join through that link, or I'll put it in the chat box also. Okay, keep check on the chat box as well. I will paste that. Okay.
Sure. And
Okay.
this training link, where will we get it? I mean, today's training link.
Recorded, you're saying? Recording, you're saying, or what you're saying?
yeah,
I mean,
recording.
yeah, the recording.
Recording will be automatically recorded in the portal itself. You have to log into your LCM portal, log in there. It will get you once now I finish this class. Once I click submit and end, automatically the upload will take maybe some half an hour or 1 hour it will take. After that, you can 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can check the portal. You'll be able to see it. Or morning, you'll check it. You'll be able to see the video recording.
Okay. Okay.
And whatever
Okay.
materials I'm sending, I'll be posting through this portal only. It will come automatically
Hmm.
through mail also. Mail notification also you'll get it.
On which portal
Okay.
you'll be posting the materials?
Same thing, LCM only. This LCM
Okay.
only. Anything you have to talk to this LCM only. Through LCM you will get it. But anyway, I got your email ID. In case if you're not getting anything, you just inform me. I'll mail you. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. I'm sorry.
Also, last question, Murli.
Yes.
I'm so sorry, Vasavi. Just one last question. So, on the page of AWS Skill Builder, now the thing is that I see 20 trainings currently reflecting. Which training would that be
Yeah.
for
Please share your
cloud?
screen. Good. Good. Please share your screen. I'll guide you.
Yeah, just a
In the
moment.
below you see share screen is there. Just click share screen and just share your screen.
Okay. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
No. Click share screen in the bottom on the Zoom and enter select your screen, or click enter screen and share your screen. Okay.
Is it? Are
Yes,
you able to?
exactly. The first one. Wait a minute. I'll tell you. Come down. Digital courses, then. Second row, middle one. This one. 12 hours. Cloud practitioner essential. Yes, that one. Yes. This one you select, and one more is an official set, official cloud practitioner question set. That also you enroll
Okay.
it. You can see right side enroll will come. Yes, enroll that for free. Enroll. Click enroll. Yes. It will automatically take you to the first page, and there will be videos. Everything will be there. Okay. They will
Uh-huh.
explain you what is cloud and all those things. Module wise. So day by day, one module you try to complete. So side by side, you
Okay.
will be knowing about the cloud technologies as well. I'll be taking some certain modules as I mentioned in the syllabus because we need more time to discuss all about this. If you have a prior knowledge about cloud and its services, it will be helpful to understand certain things. Okay. So Vasavi, you also please log into AWS Skill Builder.
Yeah,
Just now showed
sure,
cloud
sure.
practice essential 12 hours session. You just log in. I will guide you on maybe tomorrow. I'll guide you. We'll have time, so tomorrow I'll guide
Actually,
you
we
on.
are planning to take that exam in upcoming weeks.
Okay, you are planning to take that exam.
Yeah, our company is sponsoring that
Super, super. Then
voucher.
you just take it. I'll maybe if you want, I'll give you the materials and guidance as well. You can just take it.
Sure, thank you.
And Badri, yes, if you are also interested to take the exam, global certification exam, I'll guide you on how to get a free voucher. Okay. So within 1 month's time, you can able to get a free voucher, and you can take the exam also.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be worthy enough to go move to cloud job.
Sure.
If you have any question dumps, where can we find it? Like for the
That's what
practitioner.
I'll send you. You
Oh,
just message me. I'll just send you maybe
sure, sure.
in WhatsApp. You
Okay.
have my number.
Yeah, I got it in the PPT.
Oh, from the PPT you made a note.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Fine then. You just message me and I will just send you that. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yes. Okay, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Thank you. Yes. Have a nice day.
Thank you.